Shalom and welcome. This is Avraham ben Shalom, and I'm going to be introducing you on how to use the Analytical Hebrew and Chaldean Lexicon, which is published by Davidson. The first thing you need to know is you got to understand the list of abbreviations because you're going to see it and you're going to be utilizing it a lot, especially in this book. So get familiarized with the basic ones that you're going to find repeated over and over again, and basically go through it and kind of run through and scan and go and get a good idea what they are, because when you're going to be looking, you got charts here you're going to be able to utilize. You're going to be able to understand what they mean as you go through and learn biblical Hebrew grammar. Also, another thing that you have to understand too is you're going to be able to give a good outcome of what puals, how they affect, what certain words kind of have certain grammatical issues and anomalies that take place with it. The thing I want you to understand is how to use this dictionary. This dictionary is based upon basically you look up a word and you can look up a word in any way, shape, or form, like this chart here. This is a good chart that gives you the Hebrew verbs and the actual forms, how they are vocalized, is also how they are in the viewing point, what they're going to look like. When you're going to be using this dictionary, you want to basically first up look up a word. Let's look at a word, for example, here, okay? When we look up this word, we're looking at aheva, all right? Aheva is the past tense call form, third person, and the root word is aleph hey bet. That means if you found this word in your Bible, you could look up this word, it tells you the grammar of it, and it tells you the root. Now, the root is what you have to look for next, which means you're going to have to search through the book and actually find the root. Now, notice this thing was past tense in ka'al form. Everything is normally going to be in the ka'al form. So this one means to love, which means that word, which was the third person, means he loved. Okay, that's exactly what it's saying here. This one is amarta. We're going to see it's ka'al, second person, and it's aleph memresh is the root. So that means I'm going to look for the ka'al form past tense, and I'm going to look at the root aleph memresh. So when I find the root aleph memresh, here I'm going to see that it's going to tell me to say or to declare. That's the infinitive form, which means we'd have to say said, past tense. Second person, you said. So you said, and this is obviously going to be different from diber, which means to speak, which is cool that it puts this in here. And it tells you that there's some different things that you might find utilized with this verb. Let's look at another verb, avi. Avi is he, feel, future, first person. And it could be a vav conversive or a regular vav conjunction. Bet vav aleph is the root. So you will look at bet vav aleph here. We find it means to come or to go in or to enter, right? Remember, that's infinitive. So we're saying it's future, so it'd be he would come. But here we're looking for he feel. So I got to go to the he feel form of the verb. And therefore I have to search through the actual verb form. And there we go. The he feel means to cause to come in, to lead, or bring in. So because it's first person, it would mean I will bring in. And this is the beauty of using this dictionary, because first you get the grammar breakdown, you get to utilize all of the necessary words you could ever have fathomed or looked up in any part of the actual Tanakh. And in the end, you can actually break down the grammar of it, get an understanding what the grammar is of it, and you can look at the actual root. You can find the root. You can see the actual layout of the root. Is it ne feel, he feel, whatever it is? You can look at the he feel. You can find the meaning of the he feel, and immediately you can put it back into proper translation. Just remember, every time you look at these words, you're going to be seeing the infinitive definition. Always put it in the proper tense. So if it's past, it needs to be past tense. He brought, okay? If it's future, put in the future tense. He will bring, okay? And there you got it. I'll hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time as we learn more of Biblical Hebrew on this channel of Yad Ramah. I'll see you next time.